Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 309 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Gentle Center, a moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with your calm inner space. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting your body soften. Feel the subtle warmth in your chest, a quiet presence that holds you steady. No need to rush or change anything. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, say to yourself, I am present and grounded. I honor the rhythm of this moment, and I return to my gentle center. Notice your breath as it moves naturally, carrying ease and calm through every part of you. Let small thoughts drift by like leaves on a calm stream, observed, not held, and not pushed. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room and carry this feeling of steadiness and restoration into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.